Good morning, students. Today I will explain you Unit 20. In this unit, I will explain you about the art and culture. It is on page number 58. Art of poetry is being practiced since ancient times. In this one, first one is clay. Now what is clay? Is a base material for all kinds of poetry. Next is kiln. Poetry is made by heating at the high temperatures in kiln. Next is Sumerians. Ancient Sumerians were the first to make the poetry. Next is Ming Dynasty. Chinese poetry achieved a high degree of perfection under Ming Dynasty. Next is the thin and shiny layer on the surface of the fired ceramics is called glaze. Porcelain is a kind of stoneware that was originally developed in China. It is made from kaolin, which is a kind of clay. Pottery is heated at the high temperature to make it hard, and this is called firing. Raku is a form of Japanese pottery, and this pottery is traditionally used for Japanese tea ceremony. Next one is we have to match these pottery styles with their countries. Delft, it is found in Netherlands. Next is Royal Copenhagen, it is found in Denmark. Next is Imari, it is found in Japan. Next is Malika, it is found in Italy. Next is Messiner, it is found in Germany. And last one is Wedgwood, it is found in England. Next I will explain you about the traditional dresses. It is on page number 59. Sombrero. It is a hat of felt having broad brim, and it is worn to protect eyes from the sun, and it is seen in Mexico. Next is kilt. The people of Scotland wear a knee-length skirt made from plaited tartan wool. This is called kilt. Kaftan. It is a Persian dress worn by men. It is a cotton or silk cloak with full sleeves. Next one is sarong. It is a long strip of cloth with ends sewn together. It is worn by Malaysian men. Next one is kimono. It is a long robe worn with sash by Japanese women. Polero. Polera, it is a big Spanish skirt worn by women, and this is a large and colorful. Burqa. It is worn by Muslim women to cover themselves from head to toe. Odai. It is a traditional dress of Vietnam having a long sleeve coat, tunic with the ankle length panels at front and back. Thanks. Let me assign you the work. On your notebook you have to write the name of the traditional dresses of different countries. Another thing from the book, you have to read page number 5 and 6 of current affairs. Thanks.